the wife too.
Yeah.
Nice.
Hey, there's Kyle Derek. Hi, Jules. I brought the wife, Derek.
Check it out. Man.
Oh, dude.
Get the old logo there. Rockfather. Whose van that is? Cool van.
Mine got ran over.
Yeah, I heard.
She wants an RC van now.
Oh yeah, she needs to get one.
Mad van.
Yeah, she has to get a mad van, yeah.
Mad van. So look at that. Because they said they're four-wheel drive. And my spots are really popular with mad vans.
They tear, they shred.
They just shred. She wants to race next year.
Yeah. No. Burnout champs right here.
I didn't even know that tires could get that bad, to be honest.
Yeah.
Did you know that they could get that bad?
Yeah.
Look at that. I still can't believe he doesn't even have a driver's license. and he did that.
He just got it, and he's like 16. Yeah.
Guessing
It's flying around. Who's in the lead here? This is the one you voted for, huh? That one's quick. It's like going slower for sure.
Yesterday, so I'm letting him play.
Wow.
Metal clinking. I don't know, you heard something metal clinking.
Right down there. No. See what this thing's all about.
It's not working.
No. Is that one of ours? It's never working. I said, is that one of ours? Because ours is like, we're always got always have a broken RC van.
You gotta shoot it under a golf cart. That'll run good.
Yeah, shoot it under a golf cart. Perfect. Then it'll run real good.
Not funny.
That's what he said it. Ben said it.
Oh, look.
I don't know. You know, on the expressway. There's my golf cart.
There it is. Yeah, you got to run it under that golf cart. Yeah. That is quick.
It's too quick.
Maybe no trans brake this time. Knock off.
It's gonna.
Damn. I wish my van could do that. Jesus. I was like a quarter-mile
That was quick.
wheelie on scale.
I'm happy that thing has a wheelie bar.
Yeah, it needs a wheelie bar, huh?
Yeah.
Look at it zipping.
Mine is. But the outside.
That is quick.
The outside.
We're going to stand right there.
When are you doing it?
1 o'clock. Yeah, no, whatever you want.
smart. That's awesome.
Hold on.
Canada, you heading back?
Yeah.
Good to see you. Yeah, I'm glad you made it.
So I can get you a juice. Let me grab you something. Why don't you sit here with Dad?
Bye.
And he ended up doing the work on that. He had a driver every day that picked him up.
Keep going. This will be in the dark when you're actually doing it.
The door's over. I can see exit.
I think that's the exit. Try to catch it. Hey, bro. Oh, skidding. Nice. What's up? Did you JJ Lightning it?
Not yet.
No? Okay.
I need to make my bed.
Yeah, we're going. Let's roll. Hey, go this way real quick. Alright. What's up, man? We're gonna go preview a haunted house. You can invite him, okay? Nice. Oh yeah.
Oh, I like this. This is cool. Oh, this is neat. Oh, yeah. And then with the lights off.
Yeah, once the lights are off.
When he was in Annapolis and I dressed up in golden.
Oh my goodness, this is really cool.
Sunday morning, we're packed up. A lot of people are gone. We're about to be too. Thanks, BVA and everybody else. It's Tripo Stacks. Hey-hoo! All right, we're out of here. Cortland was fun. Everybody's packed up Sunday morning. Never rained. but it was cold at night.